If you love cookies with chewy edges and a soft middle, these soft-baked M&M cookies from Sally's Baking Addiction might be your new favorite. We'll go through the recipe step by step and then discuss their texture, flavor balance, and if I'll make them again. Okay, so these M&M cookies were pretty easy to make. You will need to allow time for the dough to chill a minimum of 2 hours, but you can leave it in the fridge for up to 5 days, which is convenient. This batch of mine made a total of 32 cookies. I refrigerated the dough for about 3 hours and then baked them for 12 minutes for the sides to turn light brown and the centers to look soft. Before I took that first bite, I wanted to break these apart to see if they really were soft to the touch and not crumble apart. You can see just how soft they were. And when I took a bite, it was definitely soft and chewy. Using brown sugar along with the granulated sugar, as well as refrigerating the dough, helped them to stay soft and chewy. I used regular sized M&Ms not only for inside the batter, but also for the tops. The cookie itself isn't very sweet, but the added M&Ms makes up for it. Next time I make them, I'll follow Sally's advice and use M&M minis so that each bite has more of them included. As soon as these came out of the oven, I began adding the M&Ms to the tops while they were cooling on the baking sheet. I found that works out the best. Overall, these M&M cookies were very good. I loved their soft and chewy texture and how easy they were to make. I give them 5 stars and will make them again. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.